Hi and welcome to my unboxing video of the Neewer F700 LCD field monitor. I got this to help me with my video production that I've got planned, so stay tuned for that. This box is being stubborn, so I'm going to speed this up. Got there in the end. Right, let's set this aside and have a look what we've got inside this box. This looks to be the paperwork. I'm going to attempt to open this, keyword being attempt. Well, that was a fail, so I'm just going to set it aside. Here we have the main unit. This panel's not too heavy. Let's put that down here and move on to the next item. The box of cables. This box contains the HDMI to mini HDMI cable, the HDMI to HDMI cable, and the HDMI to micro HDMI cable, and the two USB Type-C cables for the two batteries that come with this package. Here we have the cleaning cloth, nice and orange too. Here's the mounting system for the monitor. So this is done via the hot shoe on your camera body, or you could just mount it to your cage or whatever your camera setup is. Lastly, we have the batteries. Cool packaging and all, but this is kind of difficult to get out. Now let's take a closer look at the unit itself and what it has to offer in terms of inputs, outputs, buttons, whatever it may be. And that's a wrap. Unboxing complete. Up next you'll see me attach the batteries to the monitor and do a quick setup, followed by some B-roll footage to close out this video. Thank you for stopping by and giving this video a watch. This was my first video of this kind, so I appreciate any feedback. Thank you. See ya.